Hi, boys and girls. I am back today with our big, giant blue book to help you listen for some sounds in words. Remember, these are a little bit trickier than we've done at the beginning of the year. When we left school, we were working on some longer words, putting some different letters together to make different sounds, and that's what we're going to keep working on today, okay? But first, we're going to do two different rhyming word activities today, okay? The first one, I'm going to give you two words. You're going to say the two words and then thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they do not rhyme, okay? Here we go. First, slop, clop. Good job. Flash, flush. No, they don't. And that's tricky because those are so close. Remember, rhyming words have to be the same in the middle and end. The only thing that changes is that beginning sound. So listen carefully. Flash, flush. Those words have the same middle, or I'm sorry, have the same beginning and ending, but not the middle, so they can't rhyme. I'm going to write them here just so you can see them because I want you to see how close these are. Okay, here is flash, flash. And then here is flush, flush. Look how tricky that is. This is the same, full, full, and the SH is the same, shh. But this middle vowel sound is different, and so that means it can't rhyme. And we also know that rhyming words stay the same at the end, but the beginning changes. Did the beginning change here? Nope, so they can't rhyme. So watch out for tricky words like that. You're probably going to see a couple more of those coming up. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Slip, clip. Yes, good job. They both end with ip. Blend, bland. No, those don't rhyme. It was the same thing as before. That middle vowel sound changed. You have to be careful. Plant, slant. Yes, those rhyme. Good job. They both end with ant. Blush, slush. Yes, those rhyme. They both end with ush. Flag, clump. Clock, clap. Black, slack. Yes, those rhyme. They both end with ack. Gloss, floss. Yes, those rhyme. They both end with os. And if you want to pause the video right now and take a little break to floss, you just go right ahead. Get your wiggles out. Okay, here's another rhyming activity. Remember I said we're going to do two because it's really important that you hear those rhyming words. This time I'm going to give you a word and then I'm going to give you two choices. And you have to pick the choice that rhymes with my word, okay? My word is slim. Which word rhymes with slim? Hymn, plate. Hymn, good job. Which word rhymes with flap? Is it fly or clap? Clap, good job. Which word rhymes with globe? Robe, slot. Robe. Which word rhymes with plug? Slug or plane? Slug. Which word rhymes with block? Clown or flock? Flock. Good job. Good job listening for those ending sounds. Awesome work. Okay, today we're going to listen to some words and some beginning sounds that are two letters, two consonants that are blended together to make one beginning sound. So these are the ones we're going to work with. These are the L blends because they each end with an L. So, oh, hold on. My poor little F. I must have run my finger right through this guy. Here we go. This one is goal. Say that with me. Goal. Soul. Soul. Full. Full. Pull. Pull. Bull. Bull. And coal. Coal. So those are the sounds that we're going to be listening for, okay? Here we go, beginning sounds. Glove, glow. Goal, goal, goal. G-L. Good job. Slime, slide. Soul, soul, soul. S-L. Flash, fly. Full, full, full. F-L. Plain, please. Pull, pull, pull. P-L. Blink, bloom. Bull, bull, bull. B-L. Clam, cliff. Coal, coal, coal. C-L. Good job, everybody. Now we are going to blend some sounds together. So I'm going to give you the sounds, and there's going to be 4 sounds this time, sometimes 3. There might be a tricky one in there. Just always be aware of that. But most of them will have 4, so listen carefully. Plug. Now you try. Plug. Block. Block. Eat. Fleet. Lamb. Clam. Slime. Slime. Good job. Plan. Plan. Cliff. Cliff. Slow. Slow. Good job. Glad. Glad. Awesome job, guys. Now let's listen for ending sounds. I'm going to say the word, then you're going to say the word, and we're going to punch out that ending sound. Are you ready? Stale. O-L. Confuse. S. Good job. Believe. V. I almost forgot to punch there. Sorry. Smog. G. G. Breeze. Z. Z. Even. N. Disturb. B. Good job. That was awesome. All right, this time we're going to chop up some words. Get those choppers out. We're going to chop up some words with some of those beginning sounds with the L blends at the beginning. So here we go. Slip. 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 Flow. Flow. slow. Bless. B-l-s. Bless. Be careful of those L's. Don't leave those out. Clap. K-l-ap. Clap. Plum. P-l-um. Plum. Glide. G-l-ide. And bleach. B-l-each. Bleach. Good job, everybody. All right, I'm going to give you a couple more and then we're running out of time, so we might not get through all these today, but let's try adding some of those L blends. Oak. Add coal. Cloak. Ank. Add bowl. Blank. X. Add full. Flex. If you want to pause right here to flex, you go right ahead. Eve. Add soul. Sleeve. Good job, like the sleeve on your shirt. Add goal. Gloom. Good job. All right, now let's try changing some words. I like changing those beginning sounds to make new words. It's kind of exciting to see what you're going to make. Room. Change to bowl. Bloom. Some. Change s to pull. Plum. Good job. Bow. Change B to soul. Slow. Down. Change D to coal. Clown. Night. Change N to full. Flight. Good job. That was awesome. Before we go today, let's look at these L blends one more time, and I'd love for you to read them with me. Here we go. GL, goal, goal. SL, soul, soul. FL, full, full. PL, pull, pull. BL, bull, bull. And CL, coal, coal. Awesome job today, boys and girls. I am going to challenge you to really look for those L blends when you're reading today and when you're writing all this week, and really listen closely for those sounds and see what words you can find that start with those L blends. Happy reading, everybody. Great job.